Today, we're exploring a revolutionary way to restore priceless brickwork safely and effectively. So, you've got this amazing historic building, but how do you actually clean it without wrecking it? All that gunk isn't just ugly, it's actually trapping moisture and hurting the brick itself. To see why the new way is better, let's look at the risks of the old ways. Sandblasting literally rips off the brick's protective layer. That's permanent damage you can't undo. And pressure washing? It just forces tons of water deep inside, which causes huge problems later. Laser cleaning is completely dry. Zero water means zero moisture damage. It's as simple as that. Then there are harsh chemicals. They can stain the brick and are awful for the environment. So what's the answer? It's this incredible technology that uses, well, just light. It's super smart. The laser only targets the grime, vaporizing it, and leaves the brick totally alone. The benefits here are just huge. It's gentle, incredibly precise, and eco-friendly. And hey, don't just take our word for it. It's the go-to method for conservation efforts. The level of control is just mind-blowing. We can remove dirt, but keep that beautiful historic patina. And the process itself is really straightforward, designed for total peace of mind. We always start with a test patch. That way, you know exactly what you're going to get. When you lay it all out side by side like this, well, the choice becomes pretty obvious. Look, this is way more than a cleanup. It's a real investment in your property's future. Sure, other methods might seem cheaper up front, but they often lead to expensive repairs later on. And you might be surprised, this tech is more accessible than you'd think. The point is, you really can have it all. Protect your property, save its history, and reveal its beauty. Your building has stood for centuries. The real question is, how will you protect its future?